my scatter.
As if I had a clutch on a Magnum. You're just another point in my game, and I'm the god figure poor in the rain. I'm a real one, too much of a force to contain when I forge through a page full of thoughts of the brain. By any means I'm putting pure spits to shame. What I depict on scripts too much for the man there. And I keep calm with more shit to spray when I'm letting off. Since I had a clutch on a Magnum. See you making that P in a fashion. Most of these MCs are straight gassing. Yeah, they getting paid on the JSA, cleaning something like the guy Don Draper from Mad Men. Bagging up while I'm racking hits. By the minute I'm sick with the lyrics, so you best be backing up. You tell with a little more flesh to matter. Cause when I rat a top bars, watch how bad man scatter. Scatter, 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 scatter.
When I touch mic, I see them as
Scatter.
As if I had a clutch on a Magnum.